The day you start planting is the day you start waiting. I need you to understand na hindi nakukuha yan ng madalian. Walang nakukuha ng madalian. It will take time. Susukatin at susukatin yung tapang mo ng salitang pag-aantay. Kaya mo pa bang antayin yung inaantay mo kung ginawa mo ng lahat? The only thing you can do is to wait, mag-antay. Pero malaking pagbabago ang nag-aantay. Maniwala ka. Kung walang ibang naniniwala sa'yo, pagkatiwalaan mo muna yung sarili mo. Umasa ka na may patutunguhan. At the end of the day na may patutunguhan. Asahan mo. And in that process of waiting, be prepared. It is not just about waiting. It is also about preparing yourself while waiting. Gaano ka ba kahanda pag dumating na yun? Gaano ka ba ka-ready pag dumating na ang inaantay mo? At pag nandyan na sa harapan mo? Not just preparing. Waiting while preparing and accepting na whatever happens, kung dumaan man yan o mangyari man yan,